So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and we are back with another informative video for all of you. So folks, we have got a lot of different trading strategies, as well as we have taught you a lot of indicators and a lot of price action stuffs that you can use to analyze the charts. But the one thing is very important which should not be left alone is the chart settings, how your chart should look and how you can use analyzing platform. How can you use, what features does it offer? So in this video we are going to explore that only. So my one of the favorite platform is tradingview.com. All you have to do is go to the Google, type tradingview.com, and you will be sent to an app, or let me show you it better. So here we are. I have a this kind of shortcut over here, but you can just write trading, and here www.tradingview.com is here. You can click on this, and here you are. So this is TradingView free stocks chart, stock quotes, and trade ideas. TradingView, open this, and you are right now here. This is there. You'll go to the charts, and here is the chart in front of you. Okay, so now the first thing is that right now I am on the Tech Mahindra chart. It doesn't matter whichever chart I'm using, because I'm not going to analyze the prices. I'm just going to tell you how to handle the trading platform. Okay, so now first thing which is very irritating is these verticals and horizontal lines in the back of the chart. Okay, for some it might be okay, but for some it might be irritating. But because of them the chart is not so clear. So first of all we have to remove them, as I prefer it. So right click, go to the settings, go symbol, status line, scales, go to the appearance, vertical grid line, click here and set the opacity to 0. Okay, horizontal grid line, click here, set the opacity to 0, and okay. And here you can see all the things are gone from the back. Now what should I do if I want to switch from one chart to another? Like right now I'm on the Tech Mahindra, but now I want to go to the Infosys. Just click on the chart, type Infosys. Okay, or if I chart Infi also, then also the stock symbol, then also I'll have the chart of the Infosys. So this is the second feature. Now I am the chart of the Infosys. Now the second thing is time frame. So right now I'm on the hourly time frame. If I want to switch to the daily, all you need to do, there are two ways. Either you can click here and you can select the time zone you want to go to, or second shortcut is that click the comma button and press D. Here is the daily time frame. Want to go to the monthly, comma button, press M, and monthly charts will be in front of you. So this is how it works. Okay, easy shortcuts. Now I want to place a support, or I want to place a resistance line. Okay, a straight horizontal line I want. So there are two ways I can do that. Either I'll go here, I'll click on the horizontal line, and then I'll create it, or the simple thing is that wherever I want a line, hold your cursor there and alt H, and a line will appear. Okay, then second thing is that you can click on this line and you can go to the settings here, and in the settings, in the visibility, you can decide on which time frames chart do you want this line. Like right now I'm on the hourly chart, so this resistance that I have marked will be visible on daily time frame, hourly time frame, minutes and second time frame, but will not be available on the week and the month time frame. If I'll select this, then it will be available on the monthly and weekly time frame also. So if you want that you have marked a line on the daily time frame and you want it only on the daily time frame, then remove all the else others. Okay, this is how you can do that. If you want to set any particular coordinate at which you want line, then you can change it here. If you want any text to be shown on your line, like HHH, I want to be written here, so here is HHH comes. So whether you want it at top, at middle, or focus here. Okay, keep on focusing here, middle, or you want it at bottom. Okay, you can do it as you want. and whether you want it in the right now it at the right, you can set it to the left, or you can set it to the center. It will be it is right now at the back of our this setting bar. Okay, you can do that also. With the style you can change the colors and templates. If you have settled all the settings, then you can change this, and you can set a daily or monthly template. You can name it as any template. You can go to the save as and you can save it. Okay, what happened by saving it as that if in future if you mark a line, any line on any other stocks chart, and you want a similar settings, then you can just go, you can create a line, you can click on it, you can go to the settings, and in templates if you select monthly or daily, whichever you want, then the same settings will be applicable on that new line that you have marked. Okay, and here is the button, you can lock it, so by mistake you will not move it, and through this you can also remove it. So till now we have covered a lot of part. Okay, so now let me show you other features also. Here here you can see the trend line. Alt T is also a shortcut for the trend line, but trend line is something we used very often, so I have marked it in the favorites. Whatever thing you want to be shown here at your taskbar, you can mark it as favorite from here. Here star, if you mark it, then you can see it is now visible here. Simply after clicking again you can remove it. Okay, so now here is that you can use the triangles. As I use the triangles a lot of time, the analysis also videos also you might have seen that I use this kind of triangles. So through this you can use these triangles, you can remove it. This is a poly line. This line connects one point to another, and to another, so I also use it. This is also a very useful tool, and it is also available here. Here you can see this 1 2 3 4. In the fourth option you can go and you can select to whatever you want. Okay, so all the options are available down here only, right? For any indicator you can go here and you can search for any indicators that you are looking for. Suppose if I'm looking for moving average, I'll type moving average and I'll have the different moving average also here. Okay, so this is the public library, means these some people have created some strategies and have published them on the tradingview.com. so if you also want to do that, you first have to buy the premium of the tradingview.com, then you can create some strategy and you can send it to the TradingView and it will be available here. So this is the Pine editor, this is the strategy tester. Here we have, you can test the strategies, you can feed all your data in here. I'm not going to dig into that because that's a lengthy and part which is not required often in the trading analysis, because we use already established indicators and price action. If you were to develop some strategy, then you can use this feature, and you have to spend some time because it takes time in realizing that how to use it. So most of the things that we have covered till now, I think and all of you are comfortable with it, that how to use the tradingview.com. These are the some basic features that I have shared with you. Let me share with you two more other things. This is long position. If I use this, it will ask me what is your entry point. So this is my entry point, this is my target, and this is my stop loss. Okay, I can move it like this, and I can also reduce this, and here you can see the risk to reward ratio also. Right now it is at 1.03. so through this you can also manage your risk. You can also, already it'll tell you how much quantity and how much loss will be there. So here account size 1000 INR is here. So if I put it the more, if I want low, I have account of 10,000, 1 lakh, it will show me based upon that also. So 560 ticks and everything is available here. According to that you can check. Okay, so this is the long position and the short position is also given there. So everything is now in your hand. Now you know how to use most of the features. If you want to change from candlesticks to line bar, here is the simple thing. Go here and here you can select the different kind of all the charts available here itself. Okay, so now this is a replay button. If you are trading any strategy, you can click it, and if I'll mark it here. Okay, so now this feature is also available for the premium only, I think. Nah, yeah, this feature is available for the premium people, or might be I'm using something else, or it sometimes this thing happens when we are not using the premium version, is that something happens, something is available for some time and some things are available for the other period of time. So basically what this replay feature do is that if we mark it at any point of time, it will remove all the prices ahead of that. If suppose if I mark a line here, Alt V for a vertical line, so I pressed it, so this kind of line will appear and all the bars from here to ahead will be removed, and as I will play the replay button, it will show me the price movement. It is usually used for some strategy testing or some kind of teaching. When we are teaching to someone, we use this kind of feature. So all the basic features of the tradingview.com is now communicated to you. If anybody wants to go to the full screen, you can simply click here and it will be the full screen. So I hope all of you found this video informative. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please do like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much, everyone.